Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get monetized easily on YouTube. Now, getting monetized on YouTube these days are pretty easy. I don't care what people have said before, it's pretty easy because I've personally monetized over 150 channels in the last 4 months. I kid you not. If you need more proof, I can actually show you the proof, as well as my clients that are still earning from YouTube AdSense, that is. So one way, the first requirement would be you would need 1,000 subscribers. Getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is pretty easy. You could look at YouTube subscribe. Let's just look at YouTube subscribers #short. Now, if you post a viral video on YouTube Shorts, you can see here. Look at this. He has 24,000 subscribers, and this video has like about 200,000 views. I can average that he probably got like about at least 5,000 subscribers from this. 5,000 subscribers, or let's say on average he at least got at least 1,000 subscribers from that. Okay, now the other step is you need your videos have generated over 4,000 watch time hours over the last 12 months. Now this is the tricky part. You can either do this the easy way or you can do this the hard way. Now, the hard way is constantly posting content. You need to constantly post content that persons like. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this channel, for example, Income School. Okay, look at this. He streamed let's say that's a 1 hour video. He streamed this a week ago with 11,000 views. Let's say on average 5 persons watched that video. Let's say 11,000 persons watch that for 5 minutes, right? So that's 11,000 times 5. Okay, 11,000 times 5, divide that by 60, and that is 916 hours. That's 916 hours right there. The other thing is, now you can either do that, or I can show you an easier way whereby you can be able to get 4,000 watch hours, and we're going to do it in a very smart and unique way. Now, if you want that method, you can make sure to leave a comment in the description below, in the comment section below, sorry, and we'll definitely hook you up with that. Number 3, I think this one is basically common sense. Number 3, you need to comply with all of YouTube policies and guidelines. Many persons think, okay, I can just download and re-upload content. Let's say, for example, compilations. People believe that, okay, I could just download and re-upload compilations, and you know what, I'm going to be monetized. But you won't be monetized that way. I promise you that you would not be monetized that way. It's impossible. It's not going to happen. It's reuse content. Moreover, you have copyright claims, so it's reuse content. So don't if you're not adding value to it, it's reuse content. Number 4, you have an AdSense. You need to have an AdSense account set up. Now, in terms of having an AdSense account set up, when you finally complete 1,000 hours and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, they'll give you the option to apply. They'll give you the option to apply for an AdSense account, and that's how you easily get an AdSense account. So getting an AdSense account, you can either have an existing one, or you can wait for the requirements to be met, and then you can actually get one that way. So guys, that's basically the easiest the easy step-by-step guide to get monetized on YouTube. If you want me to go more in depth, as well as show you my tips and tricks on how to get 4,000 watch hours easily, trust me, I can do that for you. I can do that for you, and will definitely get you monetized. So guys, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you very soon. Signing out.